sky so high. Calm and gentle lullaby. Green is like the grass so lush, in a garden full of hush. Orange is the pumpkin's cheer, bright and bold this time of year. Purple's like a twilight hue, soft and lovely like the dew. Pink is like the cotton candy, sweet and soft and oh so handy. Brown is like the earth below, where the trees and flowers grow. Black is like the night so deep, when the world